Oh, there we go. All right. Back here again, got all the wiring finished up. Turn my radio off. Got the radio on, so I'm going to turn that off. But just put in all the, just got temporary set in there right now, but I'm going to go ahead and turn on the gauges. So there she is. All the gauges all lit up. Nitrous gauge right there, the first one there. Then the air fuel gauge, volts. That's the fuel tank. Got the miles per hour, oil, RPMs, temperature, and then I guess the clock. And got the turn signals all hooked in. High beams, let me turn these on. So that's the high beam indicator. I'm going to push the button down here on the floor. So that's the high beams off. Turn signals. And then I got the fuel pressure gauge right there. But so now I got it all, put it all back together. But it came out real good. We're out of here.